What is up, my little shots of pisco, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today on Peruvian Cuisine Episode 3, we're making Peru's national dish. Let's make some Lomo Saltado. Cheers. You guys ready for this? Conoce un ángel? You ready? Let's do this. On a sheet pan, we got some steak fries. This is the easy version. I don't feel like making potatoes from scratch today. I don't feel like it. Just gonna cook these according to the package. Let's prep our veggies. Tomato. We're gonna cut this in half and then into wedges. Then we just wanna cut out the seeds. So you're left with these little tomato wedges. Those seeds would make it too soupy. Perfect. Next, we got a red onion. Cut the ends off. We're only gonna use half. Let's slice this guy up. And we just kinda... There we go. Perfect. Next, we got green onion. Just slice the ends off, and then just cut into 2-inch pieces. Fantastic. Great. Got an apple. That's just for eating. Let's capture that on Instagram quick. I mean, you have to. Okay, and last up for real, we got our meat. There we go. The meat we're using is a top sirloin. We got it cut in 1/4-inch strips. Now, a lot of people use filet mignon. I can't afford that, but if you can I hold $1? We're just gonna salt and pepper. And now, let's make a quick sauce. Now, it's normally 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, but I'm doing 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of our tare from the ramen episode. It's an umami bomb. 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of ají amarillo, and 4 cloves of minced garlic. We're just gonna mix that up quick. Over at the stovetop, we've got a wok, but we need to talk about this for a minute. In order to get that Lomo Saltado, that like Chinese stir-fry flavor, we need to use fire. All I got is this induction top. So we're gonna try to ignite the oil in the pisco that we use using this guy. Let's see if it works out. We've got our wok going medium-high heat, a couple tablespoons of oil. We're gonna add in half of our meat. All right, that looks perfect. Next batch. Next, we got our onions. We're just gonna cook these for a minute, just to get that roastiness. Go. A little bit more oil. Green onion. Same thing, just a minute. Now let's add in our tomatoes, and we add back in our onions and our beef. Grab yourself a shot of pisco, toss it in. Now we ignite. Woo! Smells so good. Now let's add in our sauce, and we're throwing our fries right in. Quick stir just to incorporate. And we're ready to plate. Fill up a little ramekin with rice, plop that down. And our Lomo Saltado. Should have had a bigger plate. Clean up that plate. We'll finish that off with some cilantro. And we've got Lomo Saltado. Ooh, I'm excited. Cheers. Oh, a little bit of rice. This dish is so good. Oh, and this sauce. And this sauce with the ají amarillo. I started using that sauce like ketchup. It's so good. Peruvian Chinese stir fry. Delicious. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't checked it out, maybe go check out the Peruvian cocktails. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.